Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to find your refer code in Gcash. Make sure to watch until the end because there's something you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I know that some of you guys are real stressed looking for a refer code, but let me explain something. First of all, open Gcash and tap on your profile at the bottom and look for refer friends or invite friends. If you see it, just tap and you will find your refer code or invite link there. Well, here we are. If you don't see it, it means Gcash has temporarily disabled the refer program. In the latest update of Gcash app, the refer a friends or invite friends feature is not always visible for all users. Some accounts or app version may not show the refer option because sometimes it's available only during certain promo periods or some accounts or region may not be eligible. So that's it. If you don't see the refer code in Gcash, it's not your fault. It simply means that feature is not active right now. Thanks for watching and I hope this video saved you.